Hello everyone. Today's video is about changes and adapting to those changes. This past week we've had a lot of different things going on in my yard and really, as you can see with my hair, I've had COVID hair for the last probably 8 months, and the reason being, you have to understand, my husband is a supervising public health microbiologist for the county, and I have strict orders to stay at home. So really I only go to work, to the nursery, to grocery shop, and home, and I work in my yard. So you know, really it's about changing and adapting to what's going on. So you all stay safe out there, and in the video you'll see the changes that I've made to my yard, and some of it good, some of it not so good. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness, look at all of these seeds from my trees. These will sprout little trees if I do not get rid of them. I do not want a forest in my secret garden. And here is the finished product. Finally getting a little rain in sunny California. We need it so badly. I think this is only the third time that it's rained this year. My neighbors cut down 2 of their trees, so that means I get a little brighter sun back in my secret garden. Excuse the garbage bin, folks. It's real life here at the Stewart house. So my secret garden can use a little brighter sun. This delphinium is looking all beautiful. It's getting its blooms. While this delphinium is not looking so hot. Do you see it, guys? I believe this is my allium. Coming up, I have some tulips sprouting in several places. Like I forgot to cover these little flowers. Oh, frozen. Oh no, frozen. My goodness. Well, we'll see what happens. This one. Frozen. Oh man. I hope this survives. Frozen solid. I forgot to cover it last night. It's now warmed up to a nice 39 degrees, so I think it's safe. I can take off the coverings. Perfect. Now, I covered up this little gardenia here because it was struggling. I transplanted it, so I didn't want it to die because I really like it. Looks like we had a little birdie around. Okay. And I didn't know about this plant, if it would survive or not, so I wanted to make sure I covered it up. This one's not doing so well. Aw, I hope it doesn't die. Well, at least I have some sprouts that are coming up. Soil is frozen, guys. Oh no. I hope it survives. It doesn't look too good right now. I don't think it's going to. Look at it. That was a cutting that I took from my cousin. And it took a long time just to get it to that point. Darn it. I'd like to thank Jerry Odell for giving me a special shout out on his channel. That meant the world to me and it was great. This was a nice surprise. Thank you so much, Jerry. Also, I want to thank all of my subscribers who comment and like my channel on a regular basis. You know, I'm still learning. I'm hoping to get better at it over time, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you all so much. And you know, it's been really great getting to know all of you, and I learn from you all. So thank you so much. Have a great week.